Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidi and I'll be showing you my power consumption prediction project which I've built using Google Colabs. Firstly, what I did was to import the power consumption.csv file, as you can see, into my Google Colab. And then the first stage of the project is very simple. I had to load the data, load the power consumption.csv file and pass the data at the date time. And also I have to inspect the data set to understand structure and the missing values and data types. And the second stage of the project, okay, let me run it. So you see I've run the first project. So this is actually gotten from my data set which I imported into the project. So the next stage of the project is my data preprocessing. So what I did was to extract the time-based features like the year, the month, the day and the weekday from the date time column which I've gotten from this part. And also I had to shift the power consumption column to create targets for predicting the next day's value. So I have to run this now so you can see. This is just the preprocessing stage. And the next stage, the next thing I did was simply to split the data and the train model. So I had to split the data from the train model, very flexible. If you go through the code, you find out how I've done this using basic structures and algorithms. So when I split data set into train and test set, I had to use a train test split to train a linear regression model using current day features to predict the next day power usage. Very flexible. So next thing I did in this project was to visualize my predictions, as to show it, to ensure that at least it is physical and like an HMI and in an industry. So let me run this. So you can see my graph, this is my graph, my plot which I've gotten. And so the plots was for actual versus the predicted power consumption to compare my model performance. And I've actually used RMSE and R square, which is leading square metrics to evaluate my prediction accuracy on test data. As you can see, this is my power consumption against my time step. I'll be brief. And lastly, what I did is basically to predict for the next day, because the aim of the project is to ensure that when the value is inputted, using my train sets to my already trained set from this part of the project, my train set, a user can get the predicted value. So let me run it and show you guys. You can see that this is predicted power consumption for the next day. I use my name, Chidi, group of companies, to ensure I'm the one doing the project. It's 6.7 kilowatts hours. So this is very easy. So I use the most recent entry in the data set to prepare input features, and also I have to feed this to the train model to forecast the power consumption for the next day, making it very flexible. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can write in the comment or the description in this video, or you can check my GitHub and you see the full explanation of this project. Thank you very much. My name is Chidi. Nice meeting you.